Hey guys, it's Sean here. Today I'm exploring parts of Waialua and Mokuleia, two of my favorite spots on Oahu because it's just so chill. Town can be so busy, it's a nice getaway. So that's what we're doing today. As always, don't litter, pick up your trash, don't be a douchebag, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so my first stop today is Waialua High School, and you're probably wondering why are you stopping at the high school? Well, just take a look at this art. It looks like it was done in 2008 by, looks like Hilton Alves. Hope I said that right. I butcher names all the time. It's worth a peek for sure.
We can be free, we can stay young if we just trust our minds and we...
Alright, so I've just arrived at Mokuleia Beach Park. Look, it's one of the best on the island. There's a lot of space to pretty much do whatever you want. Play a sport, like windsurf, windsailing, surfing.
In the dark, oh, stepping into the light, make us escape tonight. Oh, believe your eyes, watch the nightfall coming down on us. These are the new memories. We are the new memories. No compromise. We will see how far we go tonight.
Really and truly, this is what Mokuleia is all about, in my opinion. I mean, just take a look.
The new memories. We watch the sun, the skies up above, and we light up the night. It's written in the stars, our hearts align. We...
Basil, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Basil wants to set up his floaty.
Chloe, we're getting ready for sunset. It's a getaway.
Stepping into the light,
Okay, so I've just pulled up to what I would consider the final destination of today's trip, which is just a stretch of beach in Mokuleia. I'm gonna stay here and watch sunset, just chill and take in the beauty.